to study the characteristics of FUSE and MCB. To study the characteristics of FUSE and MCB, we need a current source and a time totalizer, an ammeter, and a single phase supply, and there is an indicator for trip and on and main on, and the devices under testing, that is MCB, 2 types and 1 KitKat fuse. Now to do this experiment, we have to make a circuit connection that we have shown very clearly in the manual, and also testing procedure is mentioned. This is the wiring diagram for MCB testing. So I made this wiring diagram. From current source I have given to the MCB, first MCB, and MCB to the time totalizer terminals. The wire is internally wired, and for ammeter also it is internally wired. Now let us start the experiment. For that there is an MCB testing procedure in the manual. So according to this, now we have to on the single phase supply and device under test we have to on, and put this current set switch in current set mode, and slowly we have to increase the current to the rated value for that particular MCB. At 4 amp MCB we are testing, so 3 times to the value, that means we have to put 12 plus. Minimum 12 amps we have to give from the current source. So I applied a 12 amp current, and now let us put in current test mode and switch on this with the start button, and observe the time taking to break down this MCB in time totalizer. Now the time total taken was 11.7 seconds to break down this MCB. The second experiment on this test panel is to study the characteristic of this KitKat fuse. To study this KitKat fuse, we required only one ammeter, current source, and KitKat fuse, and the only 2 wires are required that we have shown in this panel. Inserting this fuse upon particular current rating. So I have inserted this fuse, and now I have to put the current switch mode in current set, and we have to increase the current slowly and observe the breaking current rating. Now it is came to 0. That means that fuse is blown. So this is the experiment of KitKat fuse. Thank you.